Hi, I'm going to start taking a look at Cognitive 3D. It's a tool for measuring analytics inside 3D engines. So I've been experimenting with both Unity and Unreal Engine. What I'm going to demonstrate for you today is just a very simple Unreal Engine project that I got up and running, and then seeing how we can utilize this 3D analytics. So there are three tiers. What we can do. So there are some different prices, different monthly active devices. Core the core things that you get are a dashboard, a scene explorer, scene viewer, object explorer, and session times. These are kind of some of the stuff that I'll be going through. What it can capture so far is Unity and Unreal and C++, but I'm going to see if I can find out whether they will eventually have a roadmap for Omniverse. That is something that I'm looking into. And also eye tracking. So this will be pretty interesting if you want to start looking at data visualization on safety of machinery. Are they looking in the right place? Are they spotting the hazards? Are they doing everything they need to ensure that they're looking in the right direction? And obviously biometrics if you want to hook up heart rate sensors or anything else to that. Um, in terms of retention and the data that you can have, it is a cloud-based solution. So in terms of what they do and how they host it, there's still a few things to come through that piece of information, and we still don't know. They have got some compliance. USA or UE, not really, but GDPR and CPA are all taken care of. And they have single sign-on for Google, Microsoft, 2FA. So there are a few standard things that they do have, and that's with the Pro. Obviously, with Enterprise, you get all the licenses and everything that you kind of need. So I kind of quickly jump into now is the original scene that I've got running. So this is just a simple convenience shop scene. I'll just give it a quick play in Simulate. It's got a few packages. A few of these are dynamic objects that can be lifted up, and it's got some pretty nice textures. So obviously what you can see here is hopefully what you'll be able to track. And if I go on and put on my VR headset, you should be able to see this playing in VR also. So there you can see my hands, and you can still walk around the environment, look around, pick up objects if you need to, inspect objects, find what is the right eye level for you, and obviously explore around your 3D environment, noticing the spill stains on the floor, caution wet floor. So basically a generic environment. The cool thing is what happens next. Once you've gone through a simulation and you've got to play, then you can land into the dashboard, and this is the main meat of what I wanted to show you. So it records your sessions that you have available, and through that session explorer, this is one of my previous sessions, you can explore with these little heat maps here. You can see where I'm looking at and what I'm doing. So eventually you can also do object detection, so you can identify parts of the object and see where I'm actually focusing on. You can see how I move through the space. So now you want to start setting up industrial workflows. You want to see how your operators will work through or move through a virtual environment in real life. This is how you plan the strategy for where you put and place objects. Are there going to be things in the way? Are there going to be obstacles in the way? You can also see, especially with this example, which is quite interesting, is because I'm sitting down, this is my eye line. So what objects should be placed in a certain area to enhance user interaction, also to enhance in the real life planning of where you would put products. What's very interesting with this is you can adjust the size of the intensity of the lines. You can do all sorts of different things to try and visualize better where these products are and where your gaze is. So right now I'm just doing head tracking, but there will be gaze tracking, especially if you're using like the Quest Pro or the Oculus 3. Um, so yeah, so it's a pretty interesting piece of technology. There's still a lot more to do. I've got this running in both Unity and Unreal. Please let me know if you want any further demos, and I can take you through what I've learned so far. Thank you.